I'm a little, it's a little chilly here. But we were on the, oh, there. Oh, shit.
There you go, man.
Can I use that net again? I need to invest in one. Come on. I think it's another one foul. Yeah.
You'll be alright. You'll get one the real way.
The real way.
The real way.
When I grow up.
When you grow up.
Nice. Where's he at? Oh, just on the tail right there.
Just on the tail. Not bad. It's just because there's so freaking many of them. That's why, dude. It's sick how many of them there are.
All right. Let me get them the right way. Good looking fish. Bye-bye.